Well, throughout our Monday afternoon, we had a lot of thick cloud cover over the coastal empire and the low country that kept temperatures a lot cooler than normal. That coupled with a northeasterly flow, and even out there right now, those clouds are still fairly thick. Temperatures just a few degrees cooler than where we were for this afternoon. Lower 60s right now in Savannah with still those clouds around. And as far as when we take a look at what we are going to be dealing with for tomorrow with a northeasterly breeze to a southeasterly breeze with those fires still burning, smoke from those wildfires will still be a concern for parts of our area, but a lot of that smoke is going to be kept more in the interior counties across the region. But as we do head into the middle to the later part of the week, even with rain chances coming to the forecast, that smoke will be a concern again with a southerly component to the wind. And even with the rain in the forecast, burn bans remain in place over South Carolina, the entire state, and most of southern Georgia, Augusta southward, including the coastal empire. So burning not advised because those drought conditions will be prevailing. Even with rain chances sticking around, it's going to take a lot of rain to get out of that drought. As far as Tuesday's forecast, we will start off the day in the 50s for most of us, and we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine throughout the day. High temperatures will get a few degrees warmer than where we were for today, likely getting back into the 80s for most of us, middle and upper 80s. Certainly not out of the question with peaks of sunshine, so overall a pretty decent day is on the way. There is a chance that we might see a couple stray showers, but the higher rain chances will hold off until this system in the midsection of the country gets over us for Wednesday and Thursday. And this system has been producing a lot of severe weather, numerous severe thunderstorm warnings and several tornado warnings with this. And there will be a severe weather risk tomorrow for the lower Mississippi River Valley and into Alabama and northwest Georgia. So that's for Tuesday. But by the time that system gets to us in the coastal empire and low country on Wednesday, it will be weaker. So just periods of heavy rain are expected for us at times. So for tomorrow on Vipercast, our northwestern counties could start to see some of those showers developing around lunchtime or so, but a lot of that will die off. I think our Vipercast model is overdoing it for our Tuesday, but then as we head into Wednesday, we will see more of that heavy rain setting up, and this will be beneficial rain starting during the morning hours, moving from west to east, but settling down as it does move off of the coast after lunchtime. So we will get a few heavy downpours with this, and then more opportunities for a few showers setting up as we do go into the evening hours with another round of thunderstorm activity possible for Thursday. And then a second system moves in over the weekend, and between the next few days and into the weekend, several locations could receive over 1.5 inches to almost 2 inches of rain. So definitely a very beneficial soaking rain opportunity for us in the 7-day forecast and in the 10-day forecast. For tonight, we will see the clouds mainly clear out of the picture. Temperatures in the lower 50s, a bit milder more toward the coast. And then for tomorrow afternoon, those clouds will be back along with that potential for a few spotty showers during the afternoon hours. High temperatures will reach the lower and middle 80s for most spots. A few locations could make it into the upper 80s. That breeze will be southeasterly 5 to 15 miles per hour during the afternoon hours. Easterly for the boaters up to around 10 knots, giving us seas around 3 to 4 feet. Now in the 10-day forecast at 10 o'clock, we do have those opportunities for rain for the middle part of this week, Wednesday and Thursday, and again for the weekend. And then for next week, looking to be mainly dry with temperatures staying pretty close to normal. And then going beyond the 10-day forecast, we could get into another more active pattern with rain again.
Okay, we'll take that.
We certainly will.
Thank you so much. We'll be back right after this.